Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the forest game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on black screen, fatal error or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run the game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game application and double click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and then you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry. You have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it. Once your game files are verified, after that launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then check if the game is launching or not. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. Setting like VSync or DLSS can also create problems on certain setups, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. If there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA, Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to perform a clean boot. For that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Press OK. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to click on services tab. After that, click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After you have done this, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Here also you have to do the same thing. You have to select the application from the left side and after that click on disable. So click on disable over here. Once you have done this, again go back, click on OK, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Similarly for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the picture here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown here. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it and here you will get a repair or install option. Here you have to click on repair option and then click on yes. After that, wait for some time. Once you get set up successful matches, now close this, and after that restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. Next method is to move the game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can suffer from crashing or several other issues on PC. So you have to check for it. For that, go to Steam, under click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, here you have to click on storage, and then you have to check if your game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if your game is installed on another drive, you have to simply select it, then click on move option and move the game to SSD. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings, and after that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. Now wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, select the game application and add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after doing this, launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for view advanced system settings, open it. After that, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. After that, click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the Forest game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then log into it. After that, reinstall the Forest game once again and then click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the Forest game crashing at startup, stuck on black screen, fatal error, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.